Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to reveal the secret fishing spot that you should use when the Christmas cave is closed in fishits. So most players just wait around, but this hidden location has the same rare spawn rates and even fish without the crowd. So once you enter the cave and you see it's closed, you can just go out first. Okay, so after this you can just go to the left up in here, then you can just follow this path right here and you'll see this one, and you can just go down. Okay, so once you see this rock, as you guys can see, the others also go fish in here, so you can just follow them if you see others. Okay, so this is the secret spot that you can still get the fish from the cave. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.